Welcome back to another crypto video. What's up, ladies and gents? It's jacobcrypobury here, just going to show you a very quick important update video for GMT because things are looking extremely bullish right now, and I'm going to show you exactly why they are reminding me of the previous pump that we just had. Well, the previous pump we corrected down about can we do it? About 33%. The current correction on this particular bull flag, almost bull pennant, is around 22%, so almost a very similar correction. If we were then to look at our Fib retracement from the beginning of the impulse, we come down to around the 0.5 Fibonacci. If we then use this impulse here and look at the Fibonacci retracement level, again, we're coming to around that 0.5 Fibonacci level. So what I'm saying is they look extremely similar on the macro scale. One thing I want to point out, because I always like to find a bearish scenario before I get too bullish, because sometimes, you know, you get like a bit excited and you sort of, your logic is a bit invalidated by your emotions, you know, you're jumping in too soon. There is typically a rising wedge here, so just do notice the rising wedge and the bearish divergence on the daily time frame where the price is coming up and the RSI is dropping off. However, for this particular occasion, because I think it's just sitting here so nicely and accumulating, I think we are possibly going to see the next impulse to the upside. So we have got this beautiful ascending triangle, which is a bullish chart pattern, and if we look at our Fibonacci extension, we can kind of gauge where we might break out to. So we've got $3.50. Of course, we've got lots of resistance along the neckline of the ascending triangle at $3.40. We also have a lot of resistance at $3.44. But the targets we can look at into price discovery would be $4.08 as well as $4.21, with the golden pocket Fibonacci extension level at $4.40. So these are some levels we can look out for here on this particular time frame. The technical target for this ascending triangle would be just by measuring the width from the neckline. And then we can take this, and the technical target that we do get is around $3.84 right there. So usually they play out quite well. They are quite trusty to look at, and that's what I think might happen for GMT. So, you know, zoom out, you see the impulse, the accumulation phase, and it looks like we've got a phase 2, basically another wave of exactly what just happened, where we had the euphoric rush into a small correction, hovering above the 20-day moving average again. And I think, yeah, it looks extremely good at the moment for GMT. I personally feel quite bullish on this chart pattern, and because of that, I would probably go long. If you do want to grab some GMT today, you can use the link at the top of my description. Of course, you don't have to follow me. I'm just a guy that makes some YouTube videos. What else do we have as well going on for this wonderful project? We've got Move to Earn on BNB chain. Yes, welcome to STEPN official, who will be launching soon on the BNB chain, which is also really good because that's gonna be huge for the total volume. It's gonna be massive for the unique holders and just exposure and network usage as a whole. We can see GMT today is actually one of our bigger projects, rank 58 already, and summer's coming. The sun is going to be shining. Everyone is going to be probably using GMT a little bit more than they are now. You could probably speculate that. So that is why I'm pretty bullish on this project at the moment. GMT STEPN is going to do some wonderful things for the rest of this year. I think this looks like a big bull pennant here on the daily time frame as well. You could speculate that's one giant bull pennant. So get ready for the next impulse, because I think it will be coming very soon. And even when we look at the RSI, you see how it's just steadily creeping along this particular diagonal right here. You know, I think it's just going to happen. I think we're going to see a pump for GMT. I don't want to be a moon boy or anything, but sometimes I just feel it, and I'm feeling it right now. Fear and greed index in the industry is 27, so we have got a bit of fear in the market. So let's wait for a retest on that $40,000 Bitcoin level before we make any decisive movements too soon. But I do think personally I'm going to grab some GMT coin today. So Bitcoin 40.4k at the moment, down 9% on the month, but we have got a nice 5% bounce on the daily time frame. So thanks for checking out the video, guys. Make sure you hop into this Discord channel. Got about 200 people here in the moment. It's my Discord, no strings attached. Come say hi. I'm sure people will say hello back. If you also want to stay crypto safe, check out my NordVPN link down in the description below to protect you from crypto thieves. It's that easy. Trust me, it can happen. And yeah, subscribe, like, comment below. Bye now.